I'm Natasha Lubczenko with your CT Style Express. The COVID-19 pandemic has caused many of us to fall behind on vital routine health care. I spoke with the doctor at ProHealth Physicians' new office in Newtown, who says it's not only safe, but more important than ever to prioritize your next visit.
Even during the best of times, there can be a reluctance among some patients coming to their doctor's offices.
Dr. Alan Davis of ProHealth Physicians says this reluctance has only multiplied during the pandemic, but he warns that putting your health on hold can have unhealthy consequences.
The patients that are most at risk are the ones with chronic health issues, such as the diabetics, people with heart disease, people with respiratory issues. If those conditions are left uncontrolled and they were to catch coronavirus, they would have a much worse outcome with the disease.
He adds that the need for preventive care has never been greater, even for those without chronic illness.
During this pandemic, care should not be put on hold. The stress and anxiety levels have been climbing, as well as depression, and these are all conditions that we can assess.
The doctors here at ProHealth say it is very safe to come into the office, but during these times, they want you to know that there are plenty of ways to keep up with your health, including telemedicine.
We are able to initially treat many acute and chronic conditions, and if after a telemedicine visit, the needs of the physician or patient have not been met, or there are other concerns, the patient can always be scheduled for an in-office follow-up visit.
And if you do need to make an in-person appointment, the medical group has CDC recommended protocols in place here at their Newtown office and all ProHealth locations throughout the state for you to safely get the care you need.
Even prior to the pandemic, we were exercising good safety precautions, cleaning down rooms, making sure we limit patient exposure and contacts, and even more so now with the pandemic.
So whether you make a virtual or in-office appointment, their main goal is to always keep you and your family healthy.
We will offer you the safest experience possible. When a patient leaves the office, I want to make sure that I can help them continue to live a healthy life.
And if you haven't gotten your flu shot yet, ProHealth Physicians says it's not too late. To learn more about that and their other services, visit ProHealthMD.com. For CT Style, I'm Natasha Lubczenko.